Color is one of the 7 elements of art. In terms of art, color refers to reflected light. Light from the color spectrum comes down and reflects off of objects. The colors that we see are reflected, while all other colors of the color spectrum are absorbed. Color theory consists of 3 distinct parts: the color wheel, color values, and color schemes. Part 1. The color wheel. The color wheel is the color spectrum bent into a circle. The acronym Roy G. Biv represents the colors in the color spectrum: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Specific colors on the color wheel have specific designations. Red, yellow, and blue are considered primary colors. These colors are called primary because they are used to mix all of the other colors in existence. Red, yellow, and blue are formed by pigment, and therefore cannot be made by mixing any 2 colors together. Secondary colors are colors that are created by mixing equal parts of 2 primary colors. These colors are orange, green, and violet. Red and yellow will give you an orange, blue and yellow will make green, and blue and red make violet. Tertiary or intermediate colors are created by mixing equal parts of a secondary color with a primary color. These colors are red-orange, yellow-orange, red-violet, blue-violet, blue-green, and yellow-green. Tertiary colors are named according to the colors that are used to mix them, listing the primary color first. For example, red and orange create red-orange, while red and violet will give you red-violet. Color Theory Part 2, Color Values. Color value refers to the darkness or lightness of a color. In this color wheel, each color is represented with a full range of value. When neutral colors are mixed with colors on the color wheel, the value and/or intensity of the color is affected. Tints are lighter values of color and are created by adding white to a color. When white is added to blue, you create a tint of blue. Shades are darker values of color and are created by adding black to a color. For example, when black is added with blue, you create a darker shade of blue. Each color or hue, when mixed with a white or black, can produce a full range of value. Intensity, although related to value, is slightly different. Color intensity is adjusted by adding grays to the hue. Color Theory Part 3, Color Schemes. Color schemes are systematic ways that colors are put together in artworks according to their arrangement on the color wheel. Knowledge of arrangements of colors or schemes can help an artist make informed decisions about color in their own artworks. The first scheme we'll take a look at is monochromatic. Monochromatic schemes consist of just one color and the tints and shades or values of that color. Mono literally means one, and chroma refers to color. Monochromatic literally means one color. Colors that are directly across from each other on the color wheel are complementary. Complementary colors provide high contrast. For example, red and green, orange and blue, and yellow and violet are all examples of complementary colors. Analogous color schemes consist of 3 to 5 colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. Analogous schemes provide harmonious color arrangements in drawings and paintings. For example, red, red-purple, purple, and blue-purple is an example of analogous colors. A color triad consists of three colors that are equal in distance from each other on the color wheel. Color triads provide a high level of contrast using just three colors. An example would be the primary colors. Another example would be the secondary colors. A color tetrad consists of four colors that are equal in distance from each other. A color tetrad is created by using two sets of complementary colors. For example, blue and orange, and yellow-green and red-purple. A split complementary color scheme consists of a color and that color's closest analogous colors. Split complementary color schemes provide high contrast while allowing more variety than a complementary color scheme. An example is red, yellow-green, and blue-green. Color also has temperature. Cool colors are colors that we typically associate with things that are cold. Cool colors consist of purple, blue-purple, blue, blue-green, and green. Warm colors are colors that we associate with things that are warm or hot. An example of warm colors are red-purple, red, red-orange, orange, yellow-orange, yellow, and yellow-green.